Good morning, ladies. Ready to go do some duck stuff? Come on. Try.
Yo, macaron, yeah, macaron, no, chacarón, 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 chacarón.
Okay, put a nice little cicada on top there. He's still alive, see? It's just kind of cold out, so I think that he's a little frozen right now. So that's a little cherry on top for my ducks. You know what I'm saying? Hey, ducks. Hey. I got food over here, ducks. You know you want it. Come on, guys. Got cherry on top. Come on. Yeah. Look what I got, huh? Yeah. Cherry on top. That's what I'm saying. Come on. Big Daddy, back off from you. Come get it. There you go. Come on. Cherry on top. Oh, you hit right for it. I love it. I love it. Yeah. That's good stuff. Where y'all going? That's it? That's it?